Have you ever wondered how dentists remove hard tartar from your teeth so quickly and so deeply? Today, you're going to learn the real power of the ultrasonic dental cleaner, one of the most effective tools for professional oral hygiene, plaque removal, tartar reduction, and long-term gum health. What you're about to discover can completely change the way you understand dental cleaning. Stay with me. The ultrasonic dental cleaner, also called an ultrasonic scaler, uses high-frequency vibrations to break down hardened tartar, deep plaque, and bacterial buildup that no toothbrush can remove. When the metal tip vibrates, it shatters tartar into microscopic pieces while water flushes out bacteria, stains, and debris. This technology protects your teeth from gingivitis, periodontitis, cavities, enamel erosion, and chronic inflammation. Many people think brushing and flossing at home are enough, but tartar can stick to your teeth like cement. That's why professional dental cleaning is essential. Ultrasonic devices reach under the gum line, between teeth, and into areas that are impossible to clean manually. The procedure is safe, fast, and extremely effective. Patients often feel immediate results: cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and reduced gum bleeding. The ultrasonic waves are gentle on enamel, but powerful against harmful buildup. For people with sensitive gums, braces, dental implants, or crowns, this method is one of the best options available in modern dentistry. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I create simple and clear 3D medical explanations that help you understand your health. And write a comment sharing your personal dental story. Have you ever had your teeth professionally cleaned? Did the ultrasonic cleaning help you? Your experience can help someone else watching this video. After ultrasonic scaling, dentists usually finish with polishing to smooth the tooth surface and apply protective fluoride to prevent future plaque attachment. This step boosts enamel strength and reduces the risk of cavities. If this information helped you, send this video to a friend who avoids dentist visits. It may motivate them to finally take care of their teeth. Taking care of your dental health today means protecting your smile for life.